Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Rebuild's Garage, and today we're working on the 1996 Chevy Astro cargo van, which is right here. This is part 2. If you have not seen part 1, be sure to go check it out. Picked it up for $300 on Craigslist. So before we get into this video, I'm gonna break it down a little bit real quick what I'm planning to do, and that is put a new floor in. We're gonna go to the store, pick up some wood, some a rubber liner, something cheap, because the whole point of this build for me is try to save money. No specific reason why I'm trying to do that, but it is a 1996 van. Why would I want to invest any more money than I already spending on it? So also gonna clean the inside. If you guys haven't seen part 1, you've seen there's stains and interior paint all over the walls, so I'm gonna try getting that off. I don't know if I'll be successful or not. And as you can see, I already started to pull off the vinyl off the windows, which is super easy, but I need to pull off the vinyl off the actual van. So I'm gonna try using a hair dryer. Ridiculous, I know, but to go buy a hair dryer, I'll be spending money. So like I said, the whole point of this thing is trying to make this as cheap as possible, and hopefully I don't spend too much on the flooring. It shouldn't be too much, probably under 50 bucks with everything. Gonna get some silicone and all that. So we'll run to the store, pick all of that up, and we'll try to pull off the wrap as well. So let's get into the video. Okay, so here at Lowe's, they don't really have anything. They have these small ones, which it's gonna take that whole box to cover it. They do have one up there. It's about 4 feet, I think 5 feet maybe. That would be nice if it was black. The gray is kind of a deal breaker at the moment, so if I don't find black, probably maybe come grab that one. Let's go to Home Depot. Okay guys, so I'm in a huge dilemma here. So Lowe's or Home Depot don't really have anything. They have this. Both of them have this same, look how thin that crap is, and there is grooves in the floor, and so I was like, that's gonna won't lay straight. A buddy of mine I just seen at Home Depot said probably won't lay straight, probably won't be the best idea, and I could go buy the mat for $300 and just get over with it, but that's not the point of this whole build and this whole video. So custom van. So what I was thinking to do is buy something like this and lay it down onto the floor, and then cover it with this. So I don't know what I'm gonna do yet, and then possibly throw this onto the walls instead of trying to clean off that paint. And this, after those two things are done, I feel like it's gonna make it look so clean. The van is gonna look really clean, and I'm gonna also probably put this on the ceiling as well if I'm gonna do it, which I'm still deciding, which you guys will see in this video if I'm gonna do it or not. So interesting. I'm curious myself how it's gonna turn out, but look how much it costs for one of those panels, 4x8. That's super expensive. So we'll see what's gonna happen. Maybe I'm gonna end up paying more than $300 for like a floor that I could have just bought. But we'll see. This is what I decided to get. It's, I don't know what to even call this. My terminology sucks, you guys know that. Then I got this rubber floor matting from Home Depot. It's pretty thin. I wanted something thicker, but the thick stuff is like $150 just for like a little bigger roll than that. And I was like, yeah, I'm not spending basically half of what I paid for this van just for the flooring, aside from everything else. Plus, I didn't want to put plywood down here because plywood is pretty thick, and I'm just gonna lose space here, which, I mean, honestly, it doesn't matter too much, but I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna do this stuff. It honestly does not really matter. It does not leak anywhere, so as long as this doesn't get wet, which is gonna be covered by that, so we'll be fine. Okay, so I just hand cut this to go around there. I want to put it in right now and see how it turned out. And hand cutting it took a minute, but I think I got it. So it slid in. See, there's a gap there, so I'm gonna have to cut that out real quick and maybe knock that down, as well as this. That still has room underneath there, so I should be good. And I think I'm gonna notch the corners here as well. Okay, so I got most of the pieces cut up. They're just laying here, not glued down or anything. I'm gonna put it on silicone as well because I don't want to drill into the van because the water underneath will get rusted, and you know, I don't want to get any water in here. So I'm just gonna put on silicone. I'm gonna fill this in as well with some pieces, running a strip in the middle. That's the only option. And the silicone did dry underneath, and I gotta say it's pretty solid, so I don't think it's gonna go anywhere. My battery died, so I think where I left off is I was saying that this is not perfect, obviously, but it's cheap to do, and it makes it look decently nice. And you know, it's hard to get these waves out, and I probably won't get them out, but I mean, this is a work van. What do you expect? So here I got with me is a snap-on hair blower. Just kidding, this is not snap-on. Whatever this is, we're gonna attempt it. I know this looks stupid, but I'm probably gonna have to end up picking up a heat gun anyway. But whatever, let's try it. Why not see if this will work? It is about 55 degrees outside right now, so it's not too warm, and it has been sitting in the sun, so let's test it out. So this was pretty easy. As you can tell, there's some like these dots left on the window, which is going to be easy to remove. Some glass cleaner and a razor blade will get these removed just fine. So I'm going to try and peel this off here from the back. I'm going to start with this back door, and we'll see where we get. So one of my biggest worries that I had when I was thinking about peeling this wrap off is something underneath the wrap. This is the first thing I found under the wrap, which goes basically, somebody drilled a hole through here. I don't know what this was. Maybe there's one on this side as well. I mean, I'm gonna have to fill that in with something. So far, this is what I got done. Took me about 5 minutes.
Someone I wanna recognize. The future starts right now. I made a reservation, but you never came, so I'm checking out. The fire you stole away, I know one day we'll come back around. The future is now. I waited for you in the passenger seat. There's only so far I can ride in your dreams. While you were chasing everything else but me, I'm starting to break out from your...
Like they say, play stupid games, win stupid prizes. For fun, we decided to take this thing a little off-road. Nothing crazy, but anyway. So I found the issue was dumping transmission oil, and I have it parked at my house, not at the shop, and so I have no tranny fluid, so I had to whip out my to-go box and find out what the problem is. And it looks like the transmission line is damaged, so I bought one. It's about $30. Sucks, but it is what it is. Not that big of a deal. But anyway, the van, it looks a little better without somebody else's company on the side. So here it is. So this is probably the last video of this cargo van. I mean, I don't know, I used to haul some things in here, but if you guys want to see more of this, let me know in the comment section below. Anyway, $300 van that I picked up on Craigslist. I mean, why not? Pretty cool. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you guys on the next video.